Hello, it's Chef Dave. I have flown from the UK to my favourite country, Greece. And we are here in the amazing mushroom shop of the Dirfis Mushroom Company. And I'm really excited to be able to cook with some of this amazing produce, all sourced locally, and especially the incredible Dirfis mushrooms, the most famous mushrooms in all of Greece. Today we're going to be cooking two recipes using some of Dirfis's new produce. We're going to start today with a chicken and mushroom pasta. Okay, we're going to start with 2 litres of water. We want to bring that to the boil. A little bit of salt in there. For this recipe, we're going to use 1 chicken breast. We want some nice even pieces that are going to cook quite quickly in the pan. I'm cutting them quite small so we can get cooked quite quickly. I'm going to be using this beautiful local Greek olive oil from the Gaia company and a little splash into the pan. We're going to keep this on a low heat and we're going to add the chicken into the pan. Next we're going to take 1 onion. We're going to peel it and roughly chop it. Going to add these onions to the pan with the chicken. And we're just going to flip our chicken over now. It's starting to cook. Nice and low heat. Next we're going to take some garlic. We want to cook our onions first and add the garlic in later, just so the garlic does not burn. Roughly chop that. And we also add to the pan. The chicken's almost cooked, so we turn the temperature right down. We're going to add our beautiful mushrooms. Okay, this is the star of the show, the beautiful shiitake mushroom. And we're going to add about 3-4 pieces of shiitake. Nicely sliced. We want some nice thick pieces. They smell beautiful. Into our pan. And the shiitake has lots of wonderful flavours, which is going to be fantastic. I also want to add some of the oyster mushroom, okay? More delicate flavour, but a lovely texture. And again, another big source of protein. About the same amount as the shiitake. We have a little bit of local spring onion or green onion. We're going to add a little bit of seasoning now. Salt and some fresh pepper. Already smells amazing. These wonderful herbs that we collected from the mountains before. That lovely fresh thyme goes so well with the mushrooms. And we're also going to add some fresh parsley as well. Beautiful and fresh. Fantastic. Going to add this lovely sheep's milk cheese now. And this will help us just to start building a sauce. We're not going to add any cream or anything like that. This is nice and healthy. That's a very special pasta made with Cordyceps. Also uses quail egg. And this is packed full of protein as well. Our water's boiling now, and this will only take 3 minutes. Now the lovely thing about this pasta is, because it's made with the cordyceps, it has all that wonderful flavour inside the pasta. So we reserve the water. We can use that in stocks or in soups or in casseroles, and we're going to use a little bit of the water also to help create our sauce around the pasta. Okay, our pasta is now cooked. We're going to take it out and add it into our pan with all our chicken and mushrooms and all those wonderful flavours. Pasta out. Let's get a little bit of that beautiful cooking water. We'll add in a tiny bit more of the butter. And this will help create a beautiful emulsified sauce around the pasta. A little bit of seasoning. We're going to just finish it with some beautiful olive oil. This amazing olive oil, produced locally on the island. And we're just going to finish it with some of this lovely cheese. And there we have, guys, an absolutely beautiful meal. It only took a few minutes. Perfect pasta, chicken, mushrooms, and those beautiful herbs. Finished with the olive oil and the sheep's cheese. Delicious.